Good morning, boys and girls, and we've got an absolutely cracking new arrival today. It's had a lot of attention in the WRCC workshop. Also, we're filming off a new camera stroke phone, so if you drop your comments into the comments section below on YouTube and let us know what you think. Is it better? Is it better quality? More technology? Better results? Who knows? So anyway, back to the car. It is a 1970 Traveller, finished in Maroon B. It's had the paintwork detailed, so it looks absolutely cracking. Loads of attention gone into that. The wood's been stripped right back to bare wood, finished with 3 coats of Osmo oil. As you can see, the results are fantastic there as well. All the chrome's absolutely banging. The paintwork, I'm really happy with that. Jordan, the detailer, stroke director here at West Riding's done a cracking job as well. So congratulations to him on that one. Interior wise, I'll try to keep you in landscape. So interior wise, obviously all brand spanking new Cherokee red, so brand new door cards and pulls, brand new carpets. Mind that ignore the fancy mat there in cardboard. It's just to save the carpet and keep it looking brand new. So the door reveals are all nice and clean, as you can see. New glove box liners, brand new headlining cream fleck, new sun visors, new seat covers. The seats have been fully reconditioned front and back as well. I'll go and show you that. New trims, all brand new. Brand new headlining. So brand new rear cards, brand spanking new carpets, everything probably better than it came out of the Morris factory, actually, to be quite honest with you. All nice and shiny. It's just clicking over on 6,000 miles, but that 6,000 miles is obviously original. I think it's 6,000 miles since the engine was replaced. Start her up for you. So runs really nice. Door reveals all nice and clean. Really is a really good car. New tyres, reconditioned wheels. Nice and clean in the engine bay. The engine bay has been stripped and painted, detailed up, so it's all nice and clean. Obviously the inner wings, tyre plates, flitches, bulkheads, all nice and clean, really nice and presentable because it's all been painted. Chrome's all good at the front. We'll go around to the back. No bubbling on the bottom of either of the doors, as you can see. It's hard. I haven't found a blemish on the paintwork, but I'm sure if you looked hard enough you would find them. Same again. So boot floor's all nice and clean. That's all been coated and treated. The Z section, the problem area is all good. Obviously the inner door, inside of the doors, the door reveals, all new seals in there and everything. New boot liner in black carpet, so that's all good. So it is a really well prepared car. It needed it, but it was worth the effort, to be honest with you. Go a bit closer for you. So given the amount of work and the quality of the car, it's on at 16,995. Obviously it comes fully serviced, 12 months MOT, 6 month warranty, 6 month breakdown cover. We accept part exchange on Morris Minors and interesting classic cars and motorbikes. So if you've got something interesting, obviously we would be interested in it. If you'd like to give us a call on 01422 881221 and speak to me, Dan, in sales, and we can discuss things. You can visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk or drop us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. So come up to Halifax, have a look at it. I think you'll be very impressed. It's a nice thing. We'll get the kettle on for you. We look forward to hearing from you. Cheers guys, bye.